Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Discord server image. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'm doing this on PC, but it will be the same if you're on mobile, but some of the buttons may be in different positions. Launch Discord and open your server. From here, click on the drop-down menu arrow beside your server name at the top left of the page. Then click on Server Settings. In the Server Overview section, tap on Change icon, where your current server image is. Select the image you would like to use and tap Open. Then click Save Changes at the bottom right of the screen. Your Discord server photo has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Discord tips and tricks.